Credit Karma Affiliate Program Walkthrough. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into a step-by-step walkthrough of the Credit Karma Affiliate Program. So, if you're a content creator, blogger, or anyone in the personal finance space, this could be an amazing way to earn passive income by promoting tools that genuinely help people manage their finances. We'll cover how the program works, how to apply, what products you can promote, and some pro tips to help you maximize your affiliate earnings. So, the first thing that we have to talk about on what is Credit Karma. So, let's start with the basics. Credit Karma is a free credit monitoring and financial management platform that simply provides free credit scores and reports, credit card and loan recommendations, tax filing tools, identity monitoring, and lastly, credit building insight. Now, it's owned by Inuit, the same company behind TurboTax and QuickBooks, making it a trusted brand with millions of active users. This trust and brand recognition makes it easier for affiliates to promote with confidence. From there, what does Credit Karma have as an affiliate program? Now, they have an affiliate program but with a twist. Credit Karma doesn't run a public affiliate program directly on its website. Instead, it's often managed through third-party affiliate networks such as Flex Offers, CJ, which is Commission Junction, and occasionally through Impact.com. Now, depending on the platform, you may find Credit Karma listed under different campaign names based on their current focus, like promoting their tax service, credit card, or loan comparison tools. So, your first task is to sign up with one of these affiliate networks. From there, let's go ahead and know on how you can apply step by step. So, let's get started. All of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. The first thing that you want to do is to simply head over to flexoffers.com. Now you can just go ahead and search it up on your Google right here. So you just want to navigate through flexoffers.com, and simply inside, you then want to create an account or affiliate account, fill in your website or promotional details. So just click on the Get Started button and click on the Publisher-Affiliate option. From here, once again, you just want to fill this page up with your personal information. Now, right after finishing up signing with Flex Offers, you will be taken to your own dashboard, so you just want to search for the Credit Karma in the advisor or campaign search bar inside the Flex Offer dashboard. From there, if it's available, you then want to click on the Apply to the campaign. You'll then be asked to provide a short message about how you will promote Credit Karma. For example, if you're running a blog content, or if you do YouTube reviews like this one, or maybe you have something like a email newsletter, you can just go ahead and choose one of those options. From there, you then want to wait for an approval. Now, this can take around from anywhere a few hours to a couple of days, depending on the network. Now, once approved, you'll be able to generate tracking links and access promotional materials directly from the platform itself. Now, what can you go ahead and promote after getting accepted? Through the affiliate program, you can promote a variety of Credit Karma tools, including their credit score monitoring, earn when someone signs up for free. You can promote credit cards or loan match tools. You can earn per approved application. You can then also promote tax filing tools, seasonal but high conversion around tax season. And lastly, Credit Karma Money. It's their savings and checking product. Now, each campaign will list its payout terms, which can go ahead and vary. Some pay on sign up, while others require the user to take action, like submitting a credit card or loan application. Now, let's talk about the tracking, payout, and tools. So, with this one, once you're in the program, you'll get access to the affiliate dashboard with your performance results like clicks, conversions, and earnings. You will then receive your custom referral link. You have marketing assets like banners and email templates, and then you have your payment options. You can then go ahead and choose between PayPal, direct deposit depending on the network that you're using. Now, Flex offers pay on the net 30 basis, while CJ also offers flexible payout in the settings once a threshold is met. Now, let's go ahead and talk about some additional tips for success. Number one is you want to create helpful network. Blog posts like how to get a free credit score or videos reviewing Credit Karma's feature perform really quickly. You can just go ahead and leave your referral links on the content that you have made. You can then use YouTube and TikTok. Walkthrough videos with the affiliate link in the description are highly converting, like I've mentioned earlier. From there, you then want to build trust. Credit is a sensitive topic, so you want to be honest and transparent about what Credit Karma can and can't do. You then want to promote seasonally. You want to focus on tax tools during tax season, credit tips during back to school or holiday shopping seasons. So again, you cannot join the affiliate program from the Credit Karma website itself. To do so, you just want to head over to a website called flexoffers or cj.com, and from there, you then want to look for the Credit Karma promotions and see whether they offer affiliate programs. So you just want to sign up as an affiliate or publisher, and from there you will be able to simply register for the program affiliate on Credit Karma. And so there you have it. That's your full walkthrough of the Credit Karma's affiliate program. Now, while they don't run a public affiliate program directly on their website or platform right here, third-party networks like Flex offers make it easy to partner with them and earn from promoting a trusted tool. And so, if you found this video helpful, drop a like, hit the subscribe button, and comment if you'd like a full tutorial on using Flex offers or CJ to manage affiliate campaigns. Now, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.